Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to use the chat in a Zoom meeting on your iPhone. I'm in portrait mode right now, up and down, with my iPhone up and down. If you were in landscape mode, it would be the same process. So I'm going to, anywhere on my screen, if I do not see the toolbar at the bottom, I'm going to tap my finger on the screen to get the toolbar to appear. It'll only be there for a few seconds, so if it goes away, just tap again. I'm going to scroll over until I see chat. Now I do want to say, if you don't see chat at first, you can always select the three dots on the far right-hand side, and that is the More feature. Your chat might be located there. Okay, I'm going to now select the chat, and here I have my meeting chat. Now notice on your iPhone, you can't have the meeting chat and see what's going on in the meeting at the same time. So you can add to the chat here. If there were multiple people in the room, it would say send to everyone. There would be a drop down there, and you could send a message to a specific person. That is if your administrator has that turned on. You can go ahead and add to the chat by typing and then selecting the blue send button. Okay, now let's say there was somebody you wanted to reply to. What you could do is you could reply specifically to that person by selecting that little bubble underneath whatever they said. Add your reply. Okay, you could also react to something that they said. This is a new Zoom feature within the last few months. So you could, thumbs up. You could add any emoji here from your iPhone, and then you could select three dots and you could do a few other things. Reply, copy, quote it. If you quote it, what's going to happen is you will add to the chat with their quote above. So I could just say, yes, I agree. And then you'll see it's quoted there. Okay. The other thing you could do, you could add a photo to the chat space if it's turned on from the administrator settings. And two other things I wanted to show you with this meeting chat is you could silence the notifications that are coming through as you're in the Zoom meeting. Top right corner, select the bell. You could mute the notifications. And when you're done chatting, if you need to go back to the meeting to see what's being said or shared, you can select the close at the top left corner and you're back in the meeting. Like I said, if you have the chat notifications on, you will see the chats appear as they come through in the bottom of your screen. At the time this video is being recorded, there's no direct way to save the chat onto your phone after the meeting. Unless it's being recorded, it's being recorded to your host's iCloud, that automatically gets saved as a TXT file. They can either share that out with you at a different time after the meeting, or they could even add that TXT file to the chat for you to save as well. So there is an option, but you would probably want to connect with the host on that. If you were recording your meeting, that could be found in your Zoom account probably. I hope this video was helpful for you in learning how to use the Zoom chat on your iPhone. I'll catch you in the next one.